This video will show the steps for exporting grades to an Excel spreadsheet and also to PowerCampus for the end of semester grade upload. Exporting grades to an Excel spreadsheet. Log in to CampusNet and open the course from which you will export. From the course home screen, click Grades in the menu just below the course name. Click the pull-down arrow beside Grader Report and scroll down and select Export. In the Export As pull-down, be sure Excel Spreadsheet is selected. This is the target format for the file. In the Export to Excel Spreadsheet screen, uncheck any grade items that you do not want included in the file, or leave all items checked to download everything. Expand Export Format options to see if you want to change any format settings. When you have the settings you want, click the Download button. Your file will be downloaded to your computer as an XLSX file, ready to be opened and viewed. Exporting final grades to PowerCampus. An important thing to note, the PowerCampus grade export function is only for exporting your final gradebook at the end of the semester. Using this function prior to setting up the gradebook will cause wrong grades in PowerCampus. If your course's gradebook has not been set up, go to the help desk at sebts.freshdesk.com and search on Gradebook Setup to see the articles for weighted and points-based setup, and select whichever applies to your course. If the gradebook is set up properly, follow these steps to export the final course grades to PowerCampus. Log into CampusNet and open the course from which you will export. From the course home screen, click Grades in the menu just below the course name. Click the pull-down arrow beside Grader Report and select Export. In the Export As pull-down, select PowerCampus Grade Export. In the Export to PowerCampus Grade Export screen, read the important notes and instructions appearing at the top. Check over the grades, and if everything looks correct, click the Export button to send the grades to PowerCampus. That's how to export course grades to Excel and PowerCampus. Thank you.